welcome back to my channel. So another video for you. I'm gonna do a white centerpiece.
Alrighty, so I'm just gonna cut a small hole. I'm cutting a small hole first, not to make it too big. Make sure I have a cutting board beneath this because I don't want to scratch up my table. So far, that's what I have. So now I am going to stick this foam through the top. If you have a circular foam, you can always cut this piece off and stick a circular foam in there. What I'm going to do is just cut 2 pieces of the green foam and just glue it in here so I have ease to stick the flowers. So the plan is to take these baby Ranunculus and these smaller ones and just stick them all over. And I'm going to take off all of these little flowers here and use the stem and just create like little holes. And then I'm going to stick the flowers through them, the hole I created. Stick a hole through. Then you're going to take the flower and there. See that? I love the way it looks, and right now what I'm going to do is add some greenery to the top.
Okay, so a few things I want to explain before I move forward. Just remember that the base of the centerpiece need a little more stability. This is fine like this, but if you're going to be presenting this at a wedding, just in case they bump on the table, so I'm going to link in the description box the glass that I was talking about is a mirrored glass 10 inches that you can glue the foam onto, and that will give it stability. All right, I'm not going to do that because as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to take these flowers apart and use them for another video. For this part of the centerpiece, I didn't like how it looked. It was just too, it's pretty, but it was just blah. So with that said, right here where I had the greenery sticking out, I didn't like how that looked. So I took all of those greenery out. And what I'm gonna do is do the same thing from like I have here, up here, okay? So I'm gonna add these all over the top part of the centerpiece, and the little blossoms, I'm going to stick them in between and make it look a little more uniform. And I believe that idea is going to make it look so good. Now, the top part of the centerpiece, I went ahead and the white berries, I added, it was 2 I started off with, I added 2 more, so there are 4 white berries in there. And I just love the way that looked. And I also added 5 roses. You know what? How about I just add them all at once? All right, so I'm done adding the flowers, as you can see. Remember guys, if you have any questions, comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next one.